Okay, today we're going to make a bend with the 60B Bulldozer Die on the number 2 hospital bender. Here's your 60B Bulldozer Die for making a sharp radius bend. It goes in your, mounts in your swinging frame with your 53B wrist pin into the second hole. It's mounted in there. Then we're going to pin the swinging frame into the main frame at the fourth 3/4 hole of the main frame and the first 3/4 hole of the swinging frame. So there's your wrist action. As you can see, your die moves like your wrist. Okay, then we take your Bulldozer center pin, slide it in the center pin hole. We're ready to make a bend. In goes the stock. There you have a nice square bend. And the really nice thing about the hospital bender is you can go from manual, like I just did, to hydraulic by just inserting a pin through the cylinder, turn on the hydraulic, set her in there. There you go. The nice thing about it is, once again, we pull the pin, manual bender.